Zoe, where are you?
I just...
Mama couldn't find you for so long. Mama didn't know where you were. What are you doing? Are you in the dog bed? Zoe? You're playing with recycling? It's completely not safe. I'm a terrible mother. Okay. Oh, now your sister has to give it a try, maybe? Yeah. Okay. This is so fun. Let's not take the milk jug in there. Can you hand that to Mama, please? Yeah. Thank you. Yuckies. It's yuckies. Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?